up guys, this is Ryan from Aquamaniacs. As you can see, the million fish, also mollies. This is Irshad Bhai. So this video is going to be in Hindi and English. This is his house at his home. ये इनके घर में है और इनका ब्रीडिंग प्रोजेक्ट है ये गप्पी का. This is his breeding project. He also has rabbits. These are lovebirds. Budgies. Okay. इसमें कितने पैर हैं?
इसमें 2 पैर है और एक एक्स्ट्रा फीमेल है.
एक एक्स्ट्रा
फीमेल.
ओके. रैबिट कहाँ है? There is a rabbit. Say hello. अच्छा, तो इरशाद भाई, इस टैंक के बारे में हमें बताइए. टेल अस अबाउट दिस टैंक. इसको क्या खिला रहे हो, क्या फीडिंग कर रहे हो, कितने महीने में ये प्रोडक्शन हुआ, कितना टाइम लगा, इतने सारे बच्चे हैं और इसमें कौन कौन से वैरायटी की गप्पीज हैं?
So right now I'm using a 4-feet gross food bond which is for guppies. So this is having like I put 40 pairs of guppies in this.
Okay.
Along with some molly fries. And
Okay.
right now in maybe 45 days I'm getting around 200 adults.
200 adult pieces.
Yes, including male and female both.
In 45 days.
Yes, around 45 days.
Okay. और where are you supplying these fries or
I
adult
usually
guppies?
sell it to the local fish shops and the hobbies.
Okay. Around what is your charges like on wholesale and retail?
For the female adult females, I charge around 6 to 7 rupees per piece, and male, depending on the color and the quality, I charge 7 to 9 rupees for a male.
For female 6 to 7 rupees.
Yes.
And male
For
9 to
7 to 9 rupees.
male is
7 to 9 rupees.
7 to 9 rupees.
Per piece.
Okay. These are half black.
Yes.
Males.
There are some multicolored, some half black,
Red cherry.
some red cherries.
Also mollies, black mollies.
Yes, I have assorted mollies also. Orange, platinum, black.
Okay, guys, just look at the
Mollies
production.
also.
Just look at the production, guys.
And this has been only for 3 months.
Only 3 months.
Yes. Before 3 months, I just placed here 40 pieces, 20 pairs of adult guppies.
Okay, so this is like every hobbyist should do this to maintain and sustain the hobby.
Like every price here has been just for the. It's been here for 3 months only.
Okay. So when are they ready to sell? Within how many months? Within 45 days.
Within 45 days. It takes time to become semi-dry in 45 days.
Okay, so you are supplying currently in Chhattisgarh,
Yes.
Rajnandgaon. You are in
Yes.
Rajnandgaon, situated in Rajnandgaon.
Yes.
Guys, if you want to own some guppy fries, half black guppies, and there are red cherries, many other varieties of guppies. Also, Irshad Bhai deals in rabbits, right? So you can get rabbits, white color, white and black.
Albino New Zealand white.
Okay, albino New Zealand white rabbits are also available every month. I will leave his Instagram handle down below. You can personally message him, DM him on Instagram for your queries. Whoever is from Chhattisgarh, you are not shipping outside, right?
No.
Okay, so no shipping currently outside. And for guppies and rabbits, you can contact Irshad Bhai. Also, what food are you feeding these guppies?
I feed them the Optimum 3-in-1 right now. And in the duration, I also feed them a piece of roti or a bread also.
Piece of roti and bread.
Yes.
Okay.
That is like a cheap meal for them.
Okay. And what else do you have here? These are.
This is a beta of mine. It's been with me for 2 years now. And I am having a pair of dog Buranis, a breeding pair of dog Buranis.
Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, there are 2. As you can see from here. So this is a 2-year-old beta.
Yes.
What?
This is a whale tail 2.
How did it survive so long? What is the secret?
Like I have been feeding with the tetrabit, which is very high in protein, and I have bred it twice, but the female accidentally died with me, so I haven't been giving.
And how many times in a week do you do water changes in such a small container?
In this, I do every 10 days, like 50%.
Every 10 days, 50%.
Yes.
Okay,
I've
guys.
been living in this tank all alone for like a year, but now as I have a pair of breeding pair of Gurami, I have shifted into this small container.
Okay.
He will be getting a big tank very
Okay,
soon.
you will be getting a big tank. And in this, what do you have?
In
There
this
is another
tank, I was having a pair of breeding angelfish breeding pairs of marble angels, but right now they are suffering from fungus. So I've been keeping them and I have enclosed them all together. So it is easier for me to treat them.
Okay, so which is the pair? Can you spot the pair?
Like that one is a male, the one you see behind, yes, and this one is a female.
Okay.
And that one is a female, I guess, and this one is male. That used to be born even by himself.
Okay, so you can also get angel prize in the coming future for Irshad Bhai. Okay, so we have guppies available for sale. If anybody is interested from छत्तीसगढ़, अगर कोई interested है छत्तीसगढ़ में, तो आप इरशाद भाई को कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. खुद आके पिकअप करना पड़ेगा, डिलीवरी आप प्रोवाइड नहीं कर रहे हो.
I can be a local in Rajnandgaon.
ओके, इन राजनांदगांव लोकली अगर कोई राजनांदगांव से देख रहा है, एनीवन इज पर्टिकुलरली फ्रॉम राजनांदगांव, he can deliver, but if you are out of state, it's not possible to ship. And large quantity में अगर जैसे 100,000 pieces, can you ship out of state?
Right now I cannot because of
Okay, because of the situation. After the situation improves. Okay, so guys, after the situation improves, you can contact Irshad Bhai for large quantities wholesale, like minimum 1,000 pieces, 500 pieces. He can ship for you, and these are really good quality half black guppies. You can see the male right here. This is a nice male. There are many neon half black also, you can see. Red cherry. So I guess your production will be double in the upcoming few months.
Yes.
Okay, so this is another tank of Irshad Ali. So you guys can see what fishes are in this. Oscar, some long tail, whale tail Oscars, cichlids, sevrams. This is a long fin variety, Rosy Barb. Nice. So let's get back to Irshad Bhai. तो ये टैंक कितना मीन्स हाउ लॉन्ग इज दिस टैंक?
This is 2 feet across in all dimensions.
So since how long do you have these fishes with you?
I had this tank for around 2 years. This tank has gone a lot of makeovers, and right now I have some Amazon shorts in that. But I'm suffering with that. They are suffering from green algae right now.
Okay.
Yes. I used to keep a lot of angelfish in this. I used to have like 8 angelfish, large sizes. But now I have completely shifted to cichlids. Like I have a Oscar, some green parrot, some gold chevrons, and some Malawi cichlids.
Okay, so are you planning to breed these cichlids in the future,
I don't think so.
or just for
They are
show
just-
purposes?
Yes, they are just. This is my main show tank.
Okay. This is your main show tank. Great. Anyways, guys, if you guys want to contact Irshad Bhai for any guppies, any fish, you can also give them any other fishes, right? Your friends, from your friends or anything. Because I guess you are in the breeding line also of fish breeding. So if you guys require any plants or any fishes from, if you are from Rajnandgaon, if you are from Chhattisgarh, even if you are from anywhere in India, but after the lockdown opens and is in control, then it is possible, I guess, for you to ship, right? In large quantity.
Yes.
So you can contact him on his Instagram handle. It will be down in description link down below. So that's it for this video, guys. I guess you have learned something from this, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until the next video, peace.